This is crazy. This is normally where we start fishing, but there's a problem. Kind of like Paris, but way worse. This all used to be water right here. We used to fish these toolies, but not anymore. But let's see what we can make happen. Crazy stuff. Wow, this used to be a sick spot to fish. What up, dude? Hey, you made it. Good.
You get anything yet?
Nah, dude. Not even a bite yet.
Oh, good.
Been trying a topwater popper and drop shot, little shad. Whew. Yeah, hopefully we can get on something, bro. It's tough out here.
There's plenty of bass at Lake Irvine.
Huh.
You ever been there?
Nah.
$5, no fishing license needed.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I recommend everybody go there. You're gonna have to walk probably like 2 miles just to get to the water.
Yeah.
That lake is so dried up. Well, apparently something happened. Some people drowned, and
Yeesh.
the owner got sued a couple times. So,
Yeah.
it's like the city took over.
Wow.
So now it's just more of a. They run it. You just pay $5 to park, and that's it.
Good to go, huh? Man, I'm gonna have to try that out.
While I was there, saw a sturgeon.
What?
Yeah.
A sturgeon?
I think it was basically dead, but it was like, shoot. Check this out.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh man, that was a good bite right there. On the Bass in the Hood leech. Dang.
Did you see it?
No, I felt it was like boom, boom. And then I was like, really? Boom, boom. And then I set the hook and it didn't take. One of these days, get a big one. Dang, he looks like he's almost been eaten by something. Big old chunk. Not chunk, that's great. Squeak City. I got one. Oh, there we go. A little bigger. I don't think that's 12 though.
It's close. Yeah, it might be like 11.
Man. Well, it's better, but still not what we want. Let's see. Like 9.5.
Yeah.
But hey, beats the skunk, man. Well, that was tough. Not much water left here. We caught a few squeakers, but not much deep water access or anything else going on for us. Just a couple squeaks on the drop shot. Until next time.
No.
Okay, we'll do this tournament first, and then we'll get into the annual awards. So first place in today's tournament was Gilbert Garcia.
How'd you get him, Gilbert?
I watched Dominic's video and
How could you do that to me? How could you do that to me?
I commented that I was going to use all your tips.
I saw a couple of comments on that.
I know, I was doing the same thing, using a Ned rig too.
Gilbert
No
caught
Ned
4
rig.
fish.
What's that?
You caught 4 fish. Yeah, you want to tell how you did it?
Texas rig.
Now Gilbert's always doing it Texas rig, so
I found some grass that was still holding them, and
yeah,
it worked. I mean, it took all day, but it worked.
How deep was the grass?
Anywhere from 0 to 5 feet.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
On a Texas rig.
Actually, that first 16-incher hit it like right at the bank. I mean, it was literally a foot away from the edge when he hit it, and Yeah, took off
Wow.
with it.
Good job, Bill.
What color? No, just
Yeah, you can
It
tell.
was,
Hey, we're all about learning to share from each other, guys.
Daring is
Give it
scary,
up.
bud.
Color and size. I know you used a 6-inch.
It was sexy shad with some pink in it.
Now for reals.
On a half-ounce bullet weight.
Oh yeah.
no,
It's
no, it was
water.
it was Aaron's Magic actually.
Oh,
Wow.
that Aaron's Magic's one of my favorite
Aaron's
colors,
Magic.
by the way.
I had to switch it up. Margarita Mutilated didn't get any love today.
Yeah, no, I was
And Aaron's Magic. I mean, as soon as I switched, it was on.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Great job, Gilbert. Okay, Ted Yang, number 2. Ted caught 4 fish at 55.5 inches. Now, the first fish he caught, I had to disqualify because he put the wrong identifier on there. So he still caught 4 fish after that. So else he would have had a limit. He would have been the only guy with a limit. So
Oh, nice.
you made me cry, man, because I didn't want to do that to you. But
I know. I was kicking myself.
I was like, oh my God, I can't believe he did that. So
I was running late. I just wanted to get out in the water. I took the picture. I caught my second fish. I almost took sent it in, the second fish with that same tag, but I noticed it.
So, great job, second place.
Thank you.
You want to tell them a little bit how you did it?
Yeah,
Nightcrawler?
I got
Yeah. Live
Two baits.
crawfish.
wacky rig and speed cranking a square bill.
Oh,
Six, yeah.
What kind of square
Shallow
bill?
water.
What
Lucky
brand?
Craft 2.0
Oh, 2.0. Oh, nice.
in shallow water, under 6 feet.
Oh, wow.
Cool. Okay, third place is Dominique. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Third place. Okay, Dominique caught 46.5 inches. He had 3 fish. Want to tell us how you got it? Not that we're going to believe you.
I was slow rolling a Ned rig, just like a swim bait almost, just like popping on the ground, just slowly as can be. That was about it.
What color?
Yeah. That was a little sexy shad and pink in it, and turquoise. No, that was a green pumpkin and copper flake, purple and copper flake.
I'm liking that copper right now, huh?
Yeah.
Is Ron here?
Yeah.
Where at? Right here. Oh shit, man, take that off your face, I can't see you. Ron Kim, 4th place with 28.75 and 2 fish. Now we call 4th place 1 out the money, so sorry, Ron. But we got some C3 baits for you and stuff. So there you go. Thank you, sir. Good job. Now for 5th place is Alex. Is Alex here?
I'm still fishing. I saw him. He caught another one.
Oh,
over there.
he's
With
probably
the 10 minutes.
the fish are probably turning on now. So
Yeah, because I literally went back in and I passed him. I was like, yeah.
Alex Cox got 5th place, and then 6th place is Dave Monaco.
Yeah.
6th place. Here you go. You get a medal, and I saw you eyeing these C3 baits. You actually get a pack. So pick a pack of baits out that you want.
What kind of jerk bait?
Pink with sexy shad.
Man, that was a hot color at this tournament, man. I tell you.
Yeah, that color.
I'm gonna go out and buy some of those
today.
It's just killing it.
Got some overstock on that now.
Okay, 7th place is A Ortiz. Anthony.
No, it was
Oh man, this is cool. Make sure yours middle says PUD.
How'd you catch it?
You guys are gonna make fun of me, but I had a spinner bait and it was a light pink spinner bait. No joke. Right here, I was following some bait fish. There's a bust right here,
Oh, nice.
and
see, you
got it. Yeah, so
Gilbert, that color,
There you go. And you pick out a pack of baits, of the C3 baits. C3 is a new sponsor, guys. They gave us about like $200 worth of stuff for this tournament. So follow them on Instagram, give them some love, maybe buy some of their baits. I understand they're good baits. I know the guys at Castaic, a lot of guys use the C3 baits and they do quite well. So
they are very good baits. I caught all my fish on C3 ice picks today.
See,
and
there you go.
Paris 2 weeks ago on ice picks.
And 8th place is Anthony Garcia. Anthony's not here. Go, Anthony. No.
Oh, they're gone.
Okay.
No.
He got 8.
Oh, okay.
One fish, 15.
This guy right here. Yeah, he.
That's the kind of day we have. This one's gonna go to Ted as well. 23 and a half inches. Anthony had 23 and a quarter, by the way. Yeah. So it was tight, man. He's also going to get an owner jerkbait, a 65 Cotiva. This is absolutely my favorite jerkbait. Yeah, I don't hear anybody talking about it, but I caught a 12-pounder on this bait at this lake. Not this color though. It was a pink with sexy shad. So
that was a big one. Yeah.
It was just I can't even remember what color. It was like a baby bass color.
I got biggest stringer.
This one's for biggest stringer of the year. Okay, this one's for Anthony. 86 point something. I can't remember. Yeah, he had big fish for a while, but Ted squeezed him out. So for Urban Angler of the Year is going to go to Ted. This is the first time we're giving away one of these kind of belts too, so I thought it was kind of cool, something different than the trophies.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
And for Urban Angler of the Year, he's also going to get a rod. So from a $200 fishing rod from Fishing Syndicate. This is a local company in La Habra, so if you guys need a custom rod, they're a great place to go. They'll do your favorite NFL team or something like that, or you could get one of their standard ones, which is what this is. So you can pick these up actually in the shop. Anything else they'll have to custom do for you.